What's the meaning of blinders? Blinders. Blinders.
Blinders. Blinders. The term blinders refers to a device that limits a horse's field of vision by covering their eyes. This is done to prevent them from becoming distracted or spooked by things around them, and to keep them focused on the task at hand, such as pulling a carriage or racing. The term is also used metaphorically to refer to people who have a narrow or limited perspective on a situation, and who are unable or unwilling to see beyond their own preconceptions or biases. Blinders can be applied in many different contexts, from politics to business to personal relationships.